If you are planning for any guest together or small party, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and let's make some yummy roasted chicken. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. If it's your first time here, my name is Annie Krieger. Now, first, let me say, please ignore the background, okay? This is whole entire thing, but we'll talk about that as we go. First, we are making roasted chicken today. So here I have my chicken laps. So what I would do is to go ahead and introduce some amount of vinegar, okay? This is just to give you that thorough cleaning. You mustn't do this. You can also go in with some salt and vinegar or just some amount of salt. The most important thing is your chicken is well cleaned. Okay. So now after adding those whole water to my chicken tight bowl, I will go ahead and clean. While we clean, let me formally talk about introduce myself once again. My name is Annie Krieger. To my first viewers, I am a certified practice chef living in Austria, and this is what I do behind my job, YouTube. Okay, I love to share recipes, I love to create recipes, my own recipes. I love to travel once in a while, see food in other countries, and share with my fam here in YouTube. And if this is what you really love to see, get to know food, continental food. I love African foods. I make African food. I share recipe. I share food from other part of the world. If this is what you want to see, please kindly click on the picture of my channel and just check out more recipes. And if you are interested in this, stick by subscribing to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, guys, the subscribing matters a lot, but what matters most is watching my video to the end, please, guys, and also hitting the like button. That will go a long way for me. I appreciate you all for doing that. After cleaning your chicken, what you want to do is to go ahead and marinate, or you want to fillet it just like I'm doing, cut it to the bone without taking it off. Okay, now this will allow the marinade penetrate very well. It will allow your chicken to cook all through and very fast. Soft chicken can be tasteless without the right marinating, I bet you guys. Now let's make some perfect marinating for your chicken, for your soft chicken. Now I went in with some amount of onion, good amount of onion, handful of garlic and ginger. I went for 50 pieces of chicken thighs, okay? Take note of that. You can go for any amount, just for 3 people, just for 4 people. You just have to know how much or how many marinating you want to go for. Okay, this whole thing is for large quantity of 50. Now after adding my rosemary, I will go in with the parsley. Like I said, introduce some amount of oil, sunflower oil, go in with some water and blend. In this case, this is very unusual in this large quantity, making it at home. At work, 200 portion in hours is perfect. It's okay. It's nothing, but at home, it is unusual for me. That is why I am doing this outdoor. So my house is free of nose blinding. Okay. And it's just amazing out here. It's fun doing this outside. Now let's come back to our spices to marinate. After blending the herbs, I'll go in with some chicken spices. In this chicken spices, I have curry inside. I have all sort of spices, amazing spices. So you can go for any chicken spices around you or what you have. Again, I went in with some paprika powders, smoky paprika powder. I went in with some dry thyme. Again, I will go in with my salt, not too much salt, okay, because in my vegetable powder we still have good amount of salt in there. Okay, just small amount of salt. And then I will introduce again some chili flakes. Okay, This chili flakes is to make it that little spicy, undertone spicy, okay, not too much, because kids are also going to eat from this. Now, depending on who you are making this for, you can make it more spicy, you can make it however you want to have it. Now I am bringing in my bouillon or vegetable powder. Okay, it's Vegeta. We call it Vegeta in my place. I'll bring in some good amount of it. Stir everything together, and guys, this is what my marinade looks like. It is so good, I bet you. Now get your chicken and generously marinate that. You can do this overnight, marinate this, leave it overnight or at least 1 hour. I promise you, you will love the outcome of your chicken if you take your time to clean it. Now, at this point, I will introduce my marinade. Before adding my marinade, I will go ahead and taste it. When your marinade comes into your fresh chicken, it is too late to taste it, okay, to give it a taste. Now, do that and adjust to your taste. I went in with some amount of chili flakes, more chili flakes, and then bring in to rest till the next day. Now, the advantage of roasting your chicken is that it looks different from what you know. It is oil free. It tastes fantastic. It tastes real good. I bet you guys it will fall off from the bone. Because if you want to fry it until it falls off from the bone, then it will shrink like you will not love like the outcome. So this is just amazing way to get your chicken roasted. Get a parchment paper and a baking tray. Spread out your chicken and bake at 160 degrees C for 15 to 18 minutes. And here we go. It looks great. Look at this, guys. It looks yummy. It looks different, okay? And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Now what we are doing is that, like I said, you want to watch out for the upcoming video. You wouldn't want to miss it, so stay connected, guys. You will love it. I promise you will love it. Stay connected by subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to like this video if you haven't done so. Hit the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Please share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.